Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a custom font to the Shopify Dawn theme step by step. Let's get started. First, you need to download the font you want to use. I've already downloaded mine. Shopify supports common font formats like TTF, OTF, WOFF, and WOFF2. If your font is in a different format, make sure to convert it into one of these supported formats before continuing. Once your font file is ready, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Content, then Open Files. This is where Shopify stores uploaded assets. Upload your font file here and wait for it to finish uploading. After it's uploaded, keep this page open because you'll need the font file URL later. Next, go to Online Store from the sidebar. Find your active Dawn theme, click on the three dots, and select Duplicate. This is an important safety step so you can restore the original theme if needed. After duplicating the theme, click Edit Code on the duplicated version. Inside the code editor, scroll down to the Sections folder. Click Add a new section. Name it something like Custom Font, and click Done. This will create a new empty section file. Now remove any default content inside that file, paste your custom font code there, and click Save. After saving the section, we need to load it into the theme. Go to the Layout folder and open the theme.liquid file. Inside this file, find the opening tag. You can quickly locate it using Ctrl+F. Just below the body tag, include the custom font section you created, then save the file. Now that the code part is done, go back to the Shopify dashboard and click Customize on your theme. Inside the theme editor, you'll notice a new custom font option available. Open it, click Add Font, and paste the font file URL that you copied earlier from the Files section. Save your changes. Once saved, the custom font will be applied across your store. You'll also see options to control where the font is used. For example, you can enable or disable it for headings, paragraph text, buttons, or links, depending on your preference. That's it. This is how you add and manage a custom font in the Shopify Dawn theme. If you want to add more fonts later, just repeat the same process. Thank you for watching.